All right. Hey guys, where to start? it's been I spent lots of hours making this. Um, I have made a measurement system inside Unbound with the help of Being AI. I spent like I don't know 6 hours right now. It's not really easy. People think that this is easy, but I've spent like 6-7 hours today making a measurement system for architectures to be able to accurately create a plan, a blueprint, a base for making a real accurate architecture inside Unbound. Let me show you how I made that. These are the codes I developed with Being AI, and let's just go play it and let me show you how it works. Probably let's go on top view. Well, I select my input, I add a pin. This is my first pin, and as you can see it's created. Then I can add another pin, and I can also select draw lines, as you can see. If you look at the print section, you can see the distance between each pin. Right now this one is around 300 centimeters, right? Let's go up. For example, I also can enable the snap out. For now I'm not really planning to do that. Let's add another pin. This is really good for creating a accurate base for architectures. We didn't have this in Unbound, so I wanted to make something like that, and I made it myself. But I have problems turning this to actual 3D, because if I stop this, they all disappear. That's a problem. I have to ask the developer to help me to make that happen. But for now, this is really working. We also can delete the last, as you can see, and let me add more. We also can use metric, like it switches between centimeters and meters, and you can see in the measurement section it's right now 3.5 meters, and if I say centimeter is going to be like 354 centimeters. It also can close the chain, and I also can give it more accurate measurements. Like I want it to go like 200 centimeters in 90 degrees, zero height, and I say add, and it goes like that, right? And I want it to go like another 200 centimeters in the direction of probably zero height, and I add that. If you really want to be super accurate, this also works, but snapping also works. I mean, if you want to give it real accurate measurements, this works as well. This is pretty neat, and it can turn Unbound into a architecture app. What happened? Sometimes I guess there is a limitation in lines or bugs, I don't know, but my lines didn't really close right now, but we will see later on how I can fix this. But this is the whole thing, and Maybe if I delete the last, I can fix it. Don't know. Delete the last, add. There is a limit to draw the lines. I have to ask Bing AI to fix that if possible. Maybe it's the resolution problem, I don't know. But hey, that's pretty awesome. As you can see, oh, I gave it some height too. I don't remember what did I do. But hey, it is possible. Or maybe I brought it up, or the height I gave it here was like, let's say 100, 0 and 0 height. Oh, when I say 0, it goes like that, so I have to maybe say like delete the last and delete the last. Maybe if I say 100, come on, 0 and -1, yeah, something like that. -2 or -1 goes like to the ground, to the grid, something. 100, 0, -2. Oops, goes like that. I have to figure out with Bing AI how to fix that, but hey, it is possible. Oh, I get some errors because of the minus probably, but it works like that, and it's a great progress in my opinion. I also have to zero all of these if I want to avoid getting errors. But the downside is when I stop, all of them disappear, and I cannot figure out how to fix that part, but hopefully the developers will help me. Thanks for watching, and I will update all of these and share it with the community soon. Thank you.